However, in this video, I will show you our new KCS V3 firmware for this DM series product, DM4 and DM8 and DM32 and DM16. So in this new firmware, we will support use one button to change the brightness and one button to turn on and turn off the lamp. So let's look at, you can see this is our KinCony phone. We have released this new V3.24.5 that have two updates. The improvement have listed at here. The N-series energy meter board will support rename for every channel of CT sensor. And the second, you can see the DM series product, the dimmer board will have a DAC dimmer option that you can use one button for change the brightness for output and turn on and turn off. So in this video, I will show you how to do with it. You can see this new firmware will support for this dimmer 4 and the dimmer 8, dimmer 16 at here, and dimmer 32 at here. You can see this is our new firmware. This video I will show you based on the DM4. Let's look at my DM4. Okay, you can see this is DM4. Also, the new firmware can use for DM16 and DM32 and DM8. Just a different channel. I have connected with this 0 to 10 volt driver, and this is LED lamp, DC lamp. Also, you can use AC lamp, just replace this AC driver. And also, you can see this is DM4 controller, and this have a switch panel. I use one button, just connect with this digital input one together. Okay, let's connect with this for the power and show how it works. This driver that is 0 to 10 volt output to this driver, and also have L and N for AC power supply. Just use this cable. I will connect it here. And now you can see this LED, no any change. You can see I press this button channel 1, no any change, and press this button, no any change. So we need to configure it by the KCS firmware. That will be very easily. Okay, let's back to my computer, and you can see this is the KCS new firmware version. And this time you can see that will have a DAC dimmer option for the DM product. And you can see this is 4 channel, and if you want to use more channel, 16 channel, 8 channel, and 32 channel, so this will show the different input. And this is just a DM4, so that have show the 4 channel. And if you want to enable the digital input 1, work with switch and work with the button, and the link with which DAC output. I have used this digital input 1 and link with this DAC channel, just analog output 1. And this stable interview and this stable value, just that means every 20 milliseconds will change, just add the brightness 2%. So we can click save and use it, how it works. Okay, after this reboot, we will test on the DM4. And you can see this is DM4. Now I can press this digital input 1. You can see I hold on this digital input 1, and you can see this changed very fast. I hold on it. Okay, you can see if I quick click, this will turn off. If I quick click again, this will turn on. So if you hold on this button, this will change the brightness, always the loop, and high, low. Okay, if you have click, just turn on and turn off, just as this way. If you use this switch panel, I have also connected with this K1, just button 1, just digital input 1. So you can see, quick click, on and off, on and off, and hold on. You can see change the brightness. Okay, if I want to change the speed, so if you think I press this button, hold on, it's too fast for change the brightness. So you can let this value large. If you can see, if I change it to 100, save, and after reboot we will test again. Okay, now you can see if I also have hold on this button, and you can see the speed is slowly because the time value is added. Okay, so this we have changed the setting for the speed, and also we can look at use a multimeter and look at the voltage output. I can test this output, dimmer output, digital input 1. You can see, I hold on. This voltage is changed to 0 to 10 volt and reduce and increase and decrease. Okay. So this is a dimmer. Now you can use this one button, just one button, to change the brightness and turn on and turn off. So that will save your cable, because one channel only use one cable. You can see, just use this blue cable. If you have used 4 buttons, you just connect with this blue cable, 4 cable, and this one cable for ground. Just one cable. If you have used 2 buttons, so you totally use 3 cables, 2 cables for digital input and 1 cable for ground. Okay, this is KinCony new firmware. Use 1 button for dimmer controller. Thanks for watching.